All right, Scotty's been a little busy bee this morning. Busy bee. Busy bitch. Bitch. Just kidding. Wait, before you play with those. So I showed yesterday, or in the previous video, if you're watching it in the same day, or if you're just joining us and you've switched from hardcore pornography to cars.
Or, you know, animal porn.
No. Those people,
animal porn is a thing.
I know, but those people shouldn't be watching our videos.
Well, I agree.
They're too
but
busy.
Still, we don't want to be, you know...
We don't discriminate.
Exactly. We want to include everybody.
I showed from the bottom that it was leaking out of the valve cover. In the back half back here, you can see the trail. But Scotty hasn't put a friggin' wrench on, and I can finger blast this.
Oh, God. I mean, dude, really? I mean, come on. Let me at least put on, you know... The other cameras.
Look at that.
There's Xtube and Pornhub. Let me at least make a few dollars for donuts.
Okay. Anyway, Scotty's gonna pull this. We have a fresh valve cover gasket we're gonna put in.
Yep.
And we're actually going to tighten it. Now, this motor's only been rebuilt like 400 miles ago.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So that's why we're doing the oil change. Like, it literally got broke in, drove to the show in Big Bear and back, and that's what it's got.
Oh, wow. Okay.
So that's why we're doing the oil change on it with the zinc additive. And, so, pull her apart quick, Scotty.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh, what effort. Yeah, I know, look. This one's actually tight. I can't turn it with my finger. But that one. Yeah. Yeah. Oops, someone didn't double check it. So we're going to wipe up where it's a little seepy once this is off.
Seepy, huh?
I seepy too.
Yeah.
Anyway, we're cranking. Keep on cranking.
And we'll let you get back to animal porn or whatever it is that you're watching that keeps you happy during the day.
Yeah. We'll keep cranking. You keep wanking. Yeah? That was good. That was
Da.
That was funny. Ugh. All over. Everything we do is inappropriate, Scotty. But you know what? We don't really care.
Life's too short. Enjoy it. Smile. Laugh.
Yeah.
Call people stupid when they're stupid.
Well, not to their face.
Oh, wait. Says who?
Well, it depends who it is. Anyway.
And no, by the way, in case anybody's ever listening, we do not get into any political crap on this channel ever.
No, we just don't like everybody.
Exactly. We hate everybody equally. That has never been an issue.
Yeah, we just don't like anybody.
But we will not put our political point of view out
of course,
anywhere.
Hey, guess what? I should run for president.
Oh, God. Does that mean more titties and beer? Wait a minute. That's really not that bad, though.
That means, would you trust me with the fire the nuke button?
No.
Yeah.
No. Because just my luck, you'd be on the rag. Fire the nuke! Fuck them all! Kill them all! Yeah. Yeah, that would be you drunk one night.
Like,
you know, and half the world would disappear.
What happened? Bobby had too many banquets. Anywhoozy. Wow, we went on deep end on this one. So, anywho, Scotty's gonna get this valve cover off. We're gonna see how badly they effed up. I'm assuming it was just left loose, but once the gasket's pretty much oil saturated, it's done. So, we'll clean up on aisle 5.
Oh, yeah.
Quick, easy, painless.
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
And I'll show Scotty the magic trick. Magic trick.
I got the magic stick.
No. Don't forget this one's a different size.
Go figure.
Because somebody wasn't very smart when they built it. We could have at least bought all the same bolts.
But see, there's the thing. Stupid people.
Like, everything else is nice. It's nicely done. It's pretty. It's clean. I love this thing. It's just someone did not pay attention. Like, there's no cap here on this AC line either. Look. The more I look at things, the more annoying. Whoa. Easy, Scotty.
Hey, I was shoving it in the hole.
Oh, God. We were ending this video like 3 minutes ago.
Yeah, but you know what? You gotta have fun once in a while.
And now it's just like...
And I got to meet one of our viewers the other day. I was actually very impressed.
Where was this?
I'm not gonna say, because I'm not gonna advertise for certain places. I just don't do that. Actually, I really don't like advertising for anybody.
This is one of them one of them places you frequent. Did you get all the bolts out? Did you check back there?
Yeah, I already got them all. Like, legitimately.
There's 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
It's oh god, did somebody silicone it? And how do you silicone it and it still leaks? Oh my god, Scotty.
Okay.
Oh no, did somebody silicone? Is this like a pair of titties?
It's going to be a pair of something in a minute.
So you met with a viewer.
And we got a lot of compliments. I was very, very happy about it.
Did you have beverages with the viewer?
Yes, I did. Had beverages. They were amazing.
Did you take them home? No, just kidding.
No. But I did get to meet their husband, which was very, very cool.
Oh.
Great guys.
Oh. And you had bevies.
I had bevies, which are always good.
Everybody likes going to bevies.
Come on.
And making friends. Oh, God. That's terrifying. Pop goes the weasel, and the weasel goes pop. Was it only...
I don't want to scratch the paint, so I'm being, like, stupid gentle.
Look at you. Being all cautious and shit.
And shit.
We'll rock it the other way. Ooh, boing.
Ow, that was fingers.
Sorry, pull it up. Oh, look, someone did attempt to silicone it, or they left the paint on, or both. Look.
Hold on.
Look at Scotty.
There we go.
All right, flip it over. No silicone.
No, but there's a lot of oil where there shouldn't be.
And paint. That's why you always clean the rail.
Yep.
Great. Careful with that. Oh yeah, look at all the paint that they left on here.
Oh my god. All right, let me grab a razor blade.
But everything else looks fabulous. Except there's paint over spray on the valve retainers.
You gotta be kidding me.
And the springs, because they just kind of half-ass painted it. Scotty, those are things that annoy me. Oh well, it's okay.
I probably should have asked. It is safe to open these, correct?
Oh, it is now.
Well, they're sold as a set.
It's fine. Yeah, so let's get this nice and clean, and we'll get our new gasket in here. And maybe we'll actually tighten the son of a bitch, too. But, have at it!
Why would you want to go and do something silly like that?
Yeah, why would you want to do it right? Doing the job right? What's that all about? Okay,
I'm just paid to look pretty. Shut up, I heard you thinking.
You're definitely overpaid.
I know, right?
Anyway.
Anywho, so we'll do some scraping and some vacuuming and...
Scraping and wiping and cleaning?
Yep.
And hugging and loving?
Yeah.
And however that song goes.
Oh, look, ashtray for when you're working.
Even just ash in the motor?
Well,
I watched some old guy once at the racetrack, and he told me that you can't adjust a carburetor unless you're smoking a full-on unfiltered Marlboro.
Oh, God.
Which makes sense, because he actually had some theory of how the smoke would roll down the... It was wild.
Okay.
I don't know.
I'm thinking maybe his elevator didn't make it to the top floor.
I don't know, but he was... Every car he touched was fast, so...
Well, there's a difference between being fast and senile. Maybe he was both.
I like that. I want to be senile one day.
But, on that note, ladies and gentlemen, whatever the hell you want to call yourselves, I don't know, the front fender to a 67 Mustang GT, I don't know. Maybe you identify as a Corvette and you're really a Chevette. Whatever keeps you happy.
I'm more like a cargo van.
I would love to say I'm more of a streamlined something, but yeah, the streamlined gained titties. But they're down to an A cup, so we're doing good. We were a C+.
So now you're stuffing your bra when you do drag?
Shh! Don't give away my secrets, bitch.
Oh my god. Alright, clean that up. I'm gonna go finish this.